So the employment service was set up in 2015 to support people that are accessing the community mental health teams into paid employment. When somebody gets referred, we work with them very quickly to place them in a role and then help them sustain that job. It is the only evidence-based supported employment model that works. So that's why the Care Trust here was so keen to implement it, because there's evidence behind that it's successful, and actually individuals that go through it are twice as likely to gain competitive paid employment than traditional vocational services. The reason I nominated the team was I think over the last sort of 12 months they've worked incredibly hard to not only support individuals into paid employment but also to establish a new service.
Well, basically David has come in and set the project up. He's incredibly experienced and basically really good at what he does. So I think he has recommended us because I think it's recognition of our hard work, but also recognition of how well the service is going and the project itself.
Yes, we do have a success story. I had one of my chaps, well, obviously he hasn't worked for I think 18 months, 2 years. He's come into our services, really had high anxiety issues. We had to work on a lot of things, build his confidence up, how to be around other people in the community, help with anxiety issues. We found him a part-time kitchen assistant job, which he's found that therapeutic because he feels that making these sandwiches, working with kids, he just finds it rewarding.
So I think the unique features to the service is that it's based on this employment model called Individual Placement and Support, IPS. And this is a relatively new model. It was started in America, but it's made up of 8 key principles, and it's about somebody's motivation to find paid employment and then working with that very quickly so that they don't lose motivation to find paid employment. The service is tailored to the individual, so we understand what their interests and their skills and experiences are, and then tailor a service that meets those needs, basically, so that we can understand what kind of role they would want, but also what role they would be successful in, so that they will sustain that role.
I think if the employment team won the award, well, I'd be ecstatic because I think it will really help promote the service and promote what we're trying to do. I think it is also about recognition for the team, because we all work so hard. But I think most importantly, it will be about celebrating the successes of the individuals that we're helping to get into paid work.